doctors, architects, surveyors. This evening we are going to examine 2022 Waec trial questions number 1. And this is the diagram. This is the meter rule. This is the knife edge. These are the masses. You are provided with a set of mass M, the meter rule, the knife edge, and other necessary apparatus. 1. Balance the meter rule on the knife edge and determine the center of gravity G. 2. Suspend the mass M is equal to 50 grams at the point A is equal to 5 centimeter mark of the meter rule, and balance the whole arrangement on the knife edge. Read and record the balance point and determine the distance x between A and K. Number 4, evaluate 1 over x. Number 5, repeat the procedure with masses M is equal to 20 grams, 40 grams, 60 grams, and 80 grams. 80 grams and 100 grams. In each case, read and record K and A. Read and record x between A and K. Between A and K. Between A and K, takes 1 over x. Number 5. Repeat the procedure with masses M is equal to 20 grams, 40 grams, 60 grams, 80 grams, and 100 grams. In each case, read K and determine x and 1 over x. Calculate your result. Plot a graph with M on the vertical axis and 1 over x on the horizontal axis, starting both axes from the origin 0, 0. Number 8. Determine the slope S of the graph. Number 9. From your graph, read and record the value of M when 1 over x is equal to 0. Number 9. State 2 precautions taken to obtain accurate results. B1. Define the moment of a force about a point. B2. A uniform meter rule is suspended by an inextensible string at the center of gravity. If a mass of 60 grams is placed at the 25 centimeter mark, what will be the mass that should be placed at the 8 centimeter mark of the meter rule to balance it horizontally? Now, we want to balance the meter rule. The meter rule balance is 50.00 centimeters. The next one, we've recorded it. Suspend the mass M is equal to 50 grams. This is 50 grams. You are directed to suspend it at 5 centimeter mark. This is 5 centimeter mark. Then balance the meter rule arrangement on the knife edge. So this is where it balances 36.5. We subtract 5 from it. Then we are going to get 36.5 minus 5, 32.50. Now the next one is 20 grams. 20 gram. This one balance at 44, you remove 5 from it. That's 39.00. The next one is 40. You add 20 to this 20 gram. Balance point is 39. We remove 5, get 34. The next one is 60. We add 20 to 40. That's 5.5 minus 5, 30.5, then 80, we add 20 to 60, minus 5, it gives us 28, then 100 gram, this one balance at 30. Minus 5, 25.00. Now, the inverse 1/s of 39 is 0.026. 1/s of 34, that is in the inverse of 34 is 0.029. The inverse of 30.5 is 0.031. The inverse of 30.5 is 0.033. The inverse of 28 is 0.036. The inverse of 25 is 0.040. Now, the next thing now is to plot a graph of M. Now, we want to plot the graph of M on the vertical axis and 1/s on the horizontal axis. The maximum value of M is 100, minimum value is 20. So we are going to use a scale of 10 centimeters to represent 10 small square to represent 20 units. So this one will give us 1, 2, this will be 100. 80, 60, 40, 20, 0, minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, minus 100. So our 0 will be here. Draw the line. This is M in gram. This is 1/X. Our line will be here. This will be 10 small square will be 4.01. Sorry, 4.05. 0.05, 0.005, 0.01, 0.015, 0.020, 0.025, 0.030, 0.035, 0.040, 0.045, 0.050. These are the points. The first value here the first value 20 gram on the vertical axis, 0.026 on the horizontal axis. This is 20. This is 0.020, 0.020, 0.025, 0.026 will be A. The next one is 40 against 0.029. This is 40. This is 0.29 here. The next one is 50 against 0.031. 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 against 0.031. Then 60 against 0.033. The next one is 80 against 0.336. 80 against 0.336. The next one is 100 against 0.4. This 100, this 0.4. Then you now join them together. Join them together, you get minus 20, minus 60, 800, 1 110. So when calculate the slope, we are going to draw a very big right angle triangle. This will be our y2, this will be our y1, this will be our x2, this will be our x1. Now our x2 is 100. Our y2 is 100. Our y1 is 20. Our x2 is 0.040. Our x1 is 0.025. 0.026. This one will give us 80 divided by 0.014. When you divide 80 by 0.014, we get 5714.29. That is our slope. The next thing, you are directed to, from your graph, you can record the value of m when over x is equal to 0. Here, 1 over x is equal to 0 on the m axis, and that is minus 110. So, when 1 over x is equal to 0, m is equal to minus 110. Minus 110. The next thing is state 2 precautions taken to obtain accurate results. First one is that our foreign parallax error on the meter rule. Then I noted I corrected 0 error on the meter rule. B1, moment of force about a point is the product of force and perpendicular distance of its line of action from the point. Also, we can use the formula m is equal to F times perpendicular distance, where m is equal to moment, F is equal to force, perpendicular d is equal to perpendicular distance. If you write this formula without defining the value of m, f, and d, you will not be given. Now, let's look at the second question, B2. You are directed to find where the mass should be placed. This is a meter rule. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we are told that a mass of 6 grams is placed at 25 centimeter mark. The weight is at the center facing downward. This is the mass. Weight is in the center. Center of 400 centimeters is 50. If this is 25, this one will be 25. So 25 plus 25 will be 50. This one, the mass we are looking for is at 80 centimeters from the center. 80 minus 50, we have 30 centimeters here. Now, after that, we know that summation of a moment about W, I take moment about this weight, so it's equal to 0. Clockwise moment is equal to positive, y negative, y Anti-clockwise moment is equal to negative. Formula M is equal to force times perpendicular distance. 60 G times perpendicular distance between the point where we take the moment and 60 G is 25 centimeter. This is minus, this is anti-clockwise. Then mass M from the point where we take moment is 30 centimeter. Perpendicular distance is 30 centimeter. M times 30 centimeter. Everything is equal to 0. So 60 times 25 gram. This should be the same thing as 30 m centimeter is equal to 1,500 gram centimeter. Then is equal to 1,500 gram centimeter divided by 30 centimeter. This one will give us 50. This centimeter will cancel out 50 gram. So M will be equal to 50 gram. Let's look at